The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. All of them are Jamaica now, say nothing. All of them are Jamaica now, say nothing. People, I just want to listen to me for one few minutes, you know, because I'm nasty along. See? No fun of the overseas and on like reggae music, I don't have sound system. I don't have sound system and them things. I don't love the music, I don't love the culture. But people are Jamaica people. After all, them artists here will start that something here from nothing, people. From nothing. Them sing all them life and they don't get no money. Them sing for this a producer, that the producer. Enough of them dead like Papa Jamaica people. I chat to the hey, people. Them dead and have nothing. And sound system are one of the biggest culture we hold up dancehall. And people. The one little smarty, the one smarty where we have a Jamaica people. A fight for dancehall. Them a try kill her. Them a try kill her people. If you don't follow me, no people, remember say, in a word yet, them say them are Anna David Radigan and Rere. I mean, look out and I say, alright, you can't Anna Radigan, yes, him do, him hate the music. See? But you have people like Danny Dread who used to play Volcano and play Addies and Jazz Crew and all them man there. And Burro Bantan them and everybody people. Where we go so boom and fight for music. And no government never honor them. See? And man fight people. See? And Babsy Grange. Me a PNP at Jamaica. You see me people, me a footer hype, me the man. Three artists where we will fight for PNP party. I will loyal to PNP party. I will fight with them because you in a care what you have a party where you like. See like how you have good and you have evil people. See? And PNP party people where every artist at Jamaica and 99.9% of the sound system them a PNP party them fight for from Sturmar, Kilimanjaro, Socialist Youth and all the artists them early B them Super Can and everybody fight for PNP party. Seeing people and you can't count the labor rights sound them on one hand. Seeing King Sturgraph, Stereophonic and maybe one and twice more. And Josie will them a labor right and Charlie Chaplin them, General Echo them and so. So you know the labor right them people. And everybody were in a music saying a PNP. And people a PNP party bringing nice abatement act in a Jamaica in the 90s. I'm sad mash up dancehall. KD Knight, who was the then Minister of Security, come and say, He might like dancehall and I want to see the big old black box them. He must say a Calypso, big up Trinidadian people, a few of the music, I have nothing against it. See? But if Jamaica dancehall music and sound system culture originate people, see? Them for respect with culture. And PNP party people bringing nice abatement, I can start fight against dancehall in Jamaica. People, me fight for that something, I fight for it, I fight for it. I want me say, them now on a paper, I put my life on the block, and I start fight for this. I fight. It reach a stage where this unity go on with sound system and everybody I say, me I look props, me not look no props. People all my life, a sound system, me play from me a 10-year-old, and me a 55-year-old now. So from 10-year-old people, from 10-year-old to 55-year-old, I me a fight for it. You know why? This is a culture where it take on from Jamaica and it go worldwide. So big up Japanese, American, Canadian, Chinese, everybody will take it on our culture. And people, the one smarty who we have a Jamaica, I help fight for music. Babsy Grange, she a labor right. She a labor right people, me a PNP. Saying, they want to bring down the woman and fight woman and kill her at Jamaica. Saying, them have this place and named JCDC people. Where them do with festival thing at Jamaica. Me a young youth. Me in a marching band. All my life me in a marching band. I grew up. And Grand Gala was a place where we used to go. Everybody go there. and mingle with our youth. People from Rima, Tivoli, Gardner, Jungle, all of the volatile areas them in Jamaica. And we know, but one and the other, and in them time, politics calm down little. When PNP party coming for 18 years, after a while, them stop Grand Gala and the unity they stop. When Labour Party win, and Babsy Grange became the Minister of Culture, she start back Grand Gala. Saying, people, what year? Last year before Corona come in, I mean this year, February, the last year February, Reggae Mount of Jamaica, and she honor sound system, and she honor all of the foundation selectors them. Saying, and a lot of the DJs them, but PNP government, when me as a PNP, the party where me love, not do people. And a vibes are going to Jamaica like no one bring down the woman name to disrepute. Saying, people, all of them rob at Jamaica. All of them politicians rob at Jamaica. Just the other day, you have some of them say, do big robbery at Jamaica people. And them a try buy out the case because Jamaica corrupt. And they want somebody who fight the music. And fight for dancehall, them a try bring her down. Me done. All I own, me have 155 paper upon a live here. Saying, what me I say? Hello? You advice to brother. You love dancehall, no for a sound system, man. You spend money on dub plate. You fight on the sound system. And the people who love the culture. Full time now we fight and done the fuck career. And we help that something here. And try to defend that something here. And who I look out for it. Saying in our music, we go so boom and help them to look out for we people. We ask them for, we fight for make them look out for we. This can't continue, madam. Eh? Be a sellout star. Be a sellout Aguana Jamaica. So all who put in work, little wicked just dead, squingy all away. We put in work, me I got dead one day, all the way I got dead, everybody I got dead. And then what we do, and where everybody put in the cocks in them, everything just go down the drain, so. Them look a dirty politician with that Jamaica, you see? So me I say, when I love music because people are them a fight the music at Jamaica, them and them look a uptown friend. See? Them and them look a uptown friend. Calypso and soca not originate from Jamaica, then give that presidents over reggae music. Sunday when people go to church and them thing there, and them they tend to have road march at Jamaica. And people, them they on road naked and all those things. You think say, we could have got some bombs some mile and about we keep a carnival for reggae music. We would never get no permits. No permits would I get. No permit people. Saying, people rough at Jamaica, you know. Rough at Jamaica. We a fight for world of culture, yeah. Now sound clash now go on at Jamaica, nothing now go on because I know so we don't want to do it. Saying, we're back against the wall because everybody a fight against we at Jamaica. So all the overseas, we are clash all over the place and all the culture. We thank you. We thank you. Without Uno, it's a dead long time because Jamaica now no vice again. When it comes to reggae music and sound system culture, we now have no vice. So one thing I say to you, when you go and help we, because if you don't help we, it a go dead pan we. It a go dead. It a go dead people. When you fight and help we, anyone of them in the world, help that something here. Because the politician end up on a mission for done this. And the one somebody will love the music and a fight for Babsy Grange, them all for kill her at Jamaica. Cho she a fight for we. I mean a PNP and she a labor right. But when it come to sound clash business and reggae music culture, politics not coming and that's something there. You know, no politics not there in that no more people. People, we do this for Uno. We do this for Uno. Not sure you hear me a matter and we at it sometime and maybe one of them at it. People is when it come to down to the ground roads, people. We love this from our heart. Every man with a speaker, amplifier, the King Jammies, them the Jaros, everybody, the Stone Loves, we love this people. And the culture we take on all over the world. Them a help kill it. Them are going to kill me, you know, people. Come on, nah, stop. First, me I beg you for help, you know. We need help. Who oversees a vice, though? And the music they want to play. Why not spend so much money on dub plate? Why not send so much money come to Jamaica and a vice dub plates? Eh? Money was no found now go make back because I love the culture. Why not spend so much money and buy sound equipment? Because I love the culture. So the place which bought the thing originate. Oh, yes, sir, Jamaica. When I tell me say, we not no vice. All of the artists them sell out and them bow out and them drag out. Some of them were Rasta and say them a Rasta. Them lose the faith. Them not deal with the music again and figure out about the roots and where the thing I come from. Sin. Be a foolishness. I go on to the music. People, rough at Jamaica with the music. He said that something has survived one more year at Jamaica. Good it good. It not good none at all. Because before Corona come in, a be a problem for dance skip. A be a problem if a sound string up. And now since Corona come in, me done saying it's like them get to them want because the sound can't play. For 11 months. No big sound not play at Jamaica. So look at monitor box and people are hide and keep party because them have to eat food somewhere. And nobody in the government no come out and say how the entertainment industry has survived. Nobody no come and say how to survive. And once Maddy I say how to survive. And a babsy grange. Once Maddy. People, all of them rob money at Jamaica, you know. It's a babsy grange want rob. She for rob. You know why she for rob? Because she still a keep event, make event a go on. And she make sure say, oh, in the business enough for the foundation them, then give them trophy one little award where they can put in them house and then look pan. And them look pan people. If say them contribute to that something here. People. Not even a museum we have at Jamaica. Not even a museum. We have a Jamaica where people can come and come see all our artists in pass and Ghana, all our sound system them from A to Z. And know said they were there. And all of the selected them from Archie where used to play Gemini, the Glamour way and them, the Ian where used to play Roadstar, not no paper. And if you go to Europe, saying, yeah, play X amount of euro, if you go look at Stone, saying, at the Coliseum, Stone people in Italy, Rome. And we have so much culture, and the government not put nothing in place for that. A lot of the artists, them dead at Jamaica, people when them dead, them a papa, them cannot even bury themselves. Them can't bury themselves. Saying, a lot of them play sound system and them drop out. And maybe someone will say about them should have put them money to use, but put what to use?
Viewers and subscribers, you see when you hear big man attack, you see when you hear big man attack certain things, it good for listen. Even if you disagree with some of the things that the person said, it good for listen, observe, think, and if possible, you find out the facts for yourself. You see what I said to you? Now I just presented to you a video that shows a person who goes by the name of Ricky Chupa. Some persons might call him a selector, some persons might call him a DJ. You see? And Ricky Chupa talk about Jamaica reggae music and Jamaica culture and about a person who goes by the name of Babsy Grange and other things as well, you see me? And he went on to explain certain things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that Jamaica reggae music is getting a fight. Or you could say that he's saying that Jamaica music culture is getting a fight. Because me hear where he mentioned reggae music and he also mentioned dancehall music. You see what I said to you? Viewers and subscribers, there's not much me can really and truly say about some of the things that Ricky Chupa said, you know, but on a real, I think that some of the things that he had said make a lot of sense. You see what I said to you? I think that a lot of the things that he had said is actually true. You see what I say? I'm not saying that I agree with every single thing that he had said, you know. You see me? And I'm not saying that I disagree with every single thing that he had said, you know, because I am not Mr. Know-It-All. You see me? I don't know everything. So when I see a man of experience and a man of age talk certain things, I think it is good to listen, even if you do not agree with some of the things that the person said. And if possible, find out the facts for yourself. That's what I think, you see me? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about some of the things that Ricky Chupa had said. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, and right here is where I'm going to leave it, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And me name Dancehall Skilla, no big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.